Hi, this is Christia from E-Tank. Today we wanted to discuss more about the fish tank material. Come and go with me to explore our battery. So we got a different kind of fish tank material, and the first one, the most common one, is the portable tarpaulin fish tank. But having a disadvantage because the tarpaulin is exposed outside, so it is really easy to cause the water leakage problem. Then I would recommend our galvanized tank or PP tank for you. So the first one is the galvanized tank. Galvanized tank made of hot thick galvanized shells, the thickness from 1 millimeters to 2 millimeters. So it is really stable and strong. The max diameter from 3 meter to 30 meter, and the height 0.95 meter to 2.85 meter, suitable for using the fish tank and water storage tank. And the second one material we recommend is our modular PP fish tank. This is our own design from fish tank. This is the modeling product. The material made of high quality PP material, and we can also do the custom color and do the custom logo for you. The PP material have the high stress and have the advantage of anti-rusty. Even you are using the soft water, won't have any rusty issues. The modular design, we got different size charts. If you want to get more details about the size, welcome to contact us for more details.